This is a transistor. Arguably the greatest invention, they power pretty much all modern electronics. They act as switches and amplifiers, but use electronic control instead of physical switches. This type is called a BJT, or a bipolar junction transistor. This is the base, and the two junctions, the emitter and the collector. This tiny speck is the semiconductor, which makes the transistor work. Let's take a closer look. It's made of 3 layers, an N, P, and N-type. The P-type base lacks electrons and has holes. The N-types have spare electrons, filling the holes. This area now lacks free charges, creating a repelling barrier called the depletion region. When we apply a small voltage to the base, it reduces the depletion region, allowing electrons to flow from emitter to collector. Electrons want to flow from the battery to the LED. It's blocked until we apply a small voltage to the base, completing the larger circuit. And that's the basics of transistors. Comment what component you want to see next. Now you know that